guys?
Hold on. Wait, go ahead. It's fine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video from Saddlehead Media. Today we're going to be reacting to Chainsaw Man. Jordan, any words?
Well, usually I read the manga for these things, but I haven't even read the manga for it.
I haven't read it either.
So yeah, I know absolutely nothing about this.
It's a fresh start.
And this came out like 2 days ago, which is like, we got like the first episode, and there's only one episode. So let's see how good this show is. I got my heart racing. I know there's gonna be a jump scare behind this.
I don't even know if this is a horror action. Oh, definitely a comedy. Oh, it could be.
It's a mix of everything.
Is that too loud?
Oh, yeah.
First good sign, crisp animation.
Oh yeah, that is pretty cool. And it has like detail.
ケーキって収録なんだろ
Onto the shelf.
3804
It's kind of actual like animation.
落ちた分かってるってさっさと殺しちまうか
Oh, that would be
A
scary.
chainsaw dog.
Yeah.
Giant tomato.
I already know this ain't good. When you see a strawberry, whatever that is. Who's that editing?
I heard this has a lot of Easter eggs in it.
Easter eggs pertaining to what?
Actual movies from real life.
Oh.
Movies and series.
Well, that pink hair kind of looks like
Sakura?
no, that chick from My Darling.
Darling the Frank. That's from Thor, Love and Thunder, I believe.
Second good sign, good music in the intro.
Man,
Another?
if Berserk could get an animation like this, oh man, it'd be so good.
What was that little thing? What was that like rainbow dancing thing?
I think Berserk isn't as
Kind of looks like
mainstream.
Durararara.
Okay, back to it.
Oh, that was just crisp.
So I guess anything can become monsters.
Even tomatoes.
報酬は40万だ。あざっす。そこから借金と利子
こぼす。
17万。さらに仲介手数料と事務手数料、管理調整費、その他もろもろを抜いて。
This is basically real.
なんで女ガキをデビルハンターに雇ってるんです？俺たちにしている借金を返させてんだよ。正確にはあいつの死んだクソ親父のだがな。おい、犬！
So you're saying a dog with a chainsaw in its head is cute?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the color is cute.
マジっすか？
Red dog.
いただきます。
He smokes. Oh.
I know smoking in general is bad, but swallowing the whole cigarette is even worse.
Is he part devil?
Seems like it.
And why are these characters got sad backgrounds?
That's how anime works.
It's more appealing.
Is that the same guy? Oh no. How do you fall so easily? That's always how it works. You think you're gonna die, but you're not coming. You survived by biting? Oh, he's a vampire.
じゃねえ。これは契約だ。お前を助けてやるから。俺
You
を
don't
助
kill
けろ。
me.
can understand human language.
I think it's probably common in this world.
決めた。今日寝たら見る夢。食パンにジャム塗って落ちたと食って女とイチャイチャしたりして一緒に部屋でゲームして抱かれながら眠るんだ。
Well, based on the intro, it looks like he's gonna merge with it.
Of course he's dying.
俺が書いたんさ。本当は病気で血吐いて死んだんだけど。
That was a scream, not a wolf.
デンジ、悪魔が出た。仕事だぞ。
Really,
どんなと
Jordan?
こに悪魔出たんすか？
It's you.
見
I
当
love the
たら
way
ない
he
っすけ
carried the
ど
dog.
どっか隠れたんですかね？
There's a
もし
setup.
かしてもう帰っちゃったのか？
I think it is.
でも俺は犬は臭くて綺麗だ。
Stab?
Him and the dog.
Ooh.
俺たちが望むのは悪魔の力。
僕が望むのはデビルハンターの死だから
I mean, like, if you get him like an acting or a modeling job.
みんなそいつバラバラにしてゴミ箱にでも捨てちゃう
Toss him in the trash.
Watch your profanity. Zombie said they're dumb.
Well, at least zombies are realistic here. Oh.
Oh, that is, yes.
Oh.
Don't.
Oh.
Oh! How?
It was so painful in anime. Imagine in real life.
Oh.
Oh, that one. Oh, that just makes my head hurt.
泣くことも叶えられないのかよ
He's like Jon Snow.
Oh, you're being stabbed like 15 times a second and you're still talking.
He's getting eaten too.
My
Oh.
doctor requires no insurance.
They let that.
Okay. Still good?
Okay.
Oh, here it is. Hold on, let me get my leg in there. Hold on. All black. Here goes the logo. Toto Negro Toto. All black everything. Get some legs in there. Got a pocket.
We should react to Demon Slayer next. It's pretty good.
Dang, maybe we throw him in the trash. Ooh, with his head chopped off.
I didn't even notice that part. What about the dog?
What's the 95 yen?
Ooh,
They
split in half.
Damn.
East.
Wait, he and the dog fused?
No, I think they're in
What's up?
heaven.
仕事に
Oh,
行く
it's a
ぜ。
dream.
普通の暮らしをして普通の死に方をしてほしい。
It was.
俺の夢を
Animals are
叶え
like
て
that
くれよ
in。real life. It's kind of creepy.
Alright, let's see the transformation. Ooh,
Wow.
ooh, that's kind of cool.
Whoa.
俺の体ちゃんと奪えたか？
What do you mean?
私はデンジの夢の話を聞くのが好きだった。
Wait, the dog can talk?
これは契約だ。私の心臓をやる。代わりにデンジの
This
夢を
it kind of sounds
私
like
に見せてくれ。
the Parasite.
Yeah. Mickey?
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, this kind of reminds me of that.
Dang. One episode.
Oh, that's kind of cool. He's gonna pull it and transform. There it goes.
邪魔すんなら
死
How are the guys on the top already getting food? Oh my gosh!
Oh my
Now
god.
that is cool. I'm already like now that is cool. But look at that spit.
Villains always cry out when they get hurt. Well, some villains.
Wait, what are you supposed to do?
Be a villain and take it.
I love how this guy is still trying to.
Oh man, this is cool.
It's like Fruit Ninja.
Oh, that was cool. Oh, it's fine.
I love the sound effect.
Oh yeah.
Increase the throttle. Oh, he's being cut in half. No, that's just brutal. That is just brutal.
Must be hard to see.
あんたたちも心まで悪魔になっちまったみてえだな。デビルハンターとして雇われてるからな。
Why would he need chainsaws? Look at his teeth.
ぶっ殺さねえとな。
You want a piece of me? I'll give you a piece of me.
Nice.
Hmm? 君、変わった匂いがするね。これ、君がやったの？
だかす。
君の選択肢は2つ。悪魔として私に殺されるか、
Why would you ask
人
to
として
kill?
私に飼われるか。飼うなら、ちゃんと餌をあげるよ。
You're a dog.
From one owner to the next. That's kind of messed up.
餌って朝飯はどんなの？
Hot dogs.
Won't you? If I get fed.
バターとジャムが
He just knew exactly what he wanted.
デザート
Dessert
かな？
after breakfast. Actually, I couldn't be talking. I shouldn't be talking. I have dessert like after every meal.
じゃないっすか。
That sounds awesome.
That was awesome.
That was a good first episode.
Yeah, I like it. I don't know if I should read the manga or just
Yeah, I don't
Watch
want
anime.
to. I don't want to spoil myself.
Yeah. Cause
But
like
I
this,
might read it after
Cause
season 1.
cause this is like only
You don't read manga. What are you? You have nothing to say here.
me?
You don't read manga.
You don't even read in general.
I do read in general.
Spell read.
Well,
Oh, you don't be farting.
R-E-A-D. R-E-A-D.
Okay. Yeah, that's-
Well, guys, that was the first episode of Chainsaw Man.
Yeah, that was a real good show.
We react to the next episode when it comes out.
Hmm?
And keep in tune. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.
Peace.
Oh, yeah. You guys have anything to say?
No, you just sounded so robotic.
I really like the show because like the animation was just like super good.
Mm-hmm.
What about you, Jordan?
It's too early for me to say it. It's like a typical story so far, but it's like even though it's a typical story, the characters
Seems
and
interesting.
the design seems good so far.
And plus, like, whenever someone gets killed in this show, it's just so brutal.
Yeah.
I love the comedic the comedic stuff in it too. When it was cutting the tree down with a dog. I love that.
That was
Yeah,
pretty good.
it's not like joke funny. It's like situational
Yeah.
funny.
Yeah, I
Well,
like that.
Yeah.
Peace.
That's so Berserk is too in the manga. So hopefully, this studio, I don't know which studio it is, takes up Berserk. Hopefully,
I don't know what studio. Is this Madhouse? I don't even know.
I don't know. I
Peace.
thought it was Mappa.
Is it?
I believe so.
Peace.
Hold on, boy. You see we're discussing it, boy.
Well, why?
You suck, man. I mean, Isaac. I always say, Daniel, you suck. It just comes out naturally.
I can tell.
Well,
Thank you for watching. Have a good one.
peace.
What is this?
It must
Doesn't someone already do this on YouTube? You can't be still stealing their
No one does
outro.
that.
Yes, I think someone does that.
I actually see the YouTuber that does.
Yeah, he like does it. I've seen a video where he like goes to the drive-thru and goes do that,
This
and
is
like people know he's gonna do it, so they do it too.
this is my
That's what I want us to
outro.
do.
Peace.
That is
We're
retarded.
not doing that.
So what
Or
are-
this. Or the boat or something.
that's
We're not
you
doing
say,
that.
bro. That's you say, bro.
Have a good one.
Yeah, have a good one, guys.
They stop it. That was good. I'm glad.
Wait, why is it so blurry? Oh, never
You
mind.
found it?